just heading away now from the Horseshoe Weir. Beyond the trees you can see Weston Mill. Weston Mill is believed to have been built in the 18th and 19th century, with some parts dating back as early as the 16th century. Believed to have been set in about 24 acres. Hi everybody, just thought I'd come out to Nayland today. I think since our Cambridge paddle that a few of us did between Christmas and New Year, I believe this is probably about the third time that I've been out. It's pretty cold this morning, to be honest. 4 degrees. I've come over to Nayland. I did consider going to Dedham first thing this morning, but I went over there and had a look, and the water was really flowing very fast over there. So I thought I'd head over to Nayland. The water, the river is a little bit wider here in some places, so it tends to maybe slow down the flow, or I'm not sure if the water goes into the flood plains at the side of the river banks. So yeah, thought I'd come over. I was given a Palm Bora cag. Well, when I say it was given, it was bought for me as a present. So today's the first time using it. Just really trying to look at the options with a semi-dry suit. Reason being, today in particular, that we've had some really cold weather here in the UK, and I've come out on my own. So more from the point of view of cold water shock, to be honest. I managed to pick up some Yak semi-dry pants. Managed to get them off of one of our local selling sites, which was a considerable saving on what a new pair would be. And yeah, just first time wearing the Bora. It's got a hood, which is great, I guess, if it rains. So I got the Bora really with a view to be doing the Great Glen Trail in May. I was really looking forward to doing that, and had started to sort of prepare in my mind what I'd need to have to take with me. But those plans sort of well, they got destroyed really, to be quite honest. but in a good way. My eldest son on Christmas Day gave myself and his little brother an envelope, and in the envelope were tickets for a week's all-inclusive in Mallorca. Unfortunately that clashed with the planned trip for the Great Glen Trail. I've got to be honest, of the two, I think I'd sooner have a week in the sun, but I am really looking forward to doing that at some point. So hopefully the opportunity to do that again might arise around September, when I believe the midges start to die away in Scotland. So yeah, just enjoying a day on the water. Hope you've all had an opportunity to get out on the water yourselves since Christmas. Although days like this are really cold, it's actually amazing because there's basically nobody else on the river. Seen a couple of woodpeckers today, a heron, and only one blue tit, which is surprising really. sorry, not blue tit, kingfisher, because generally you do see them on this little bit of river quite a lot. So just heading up to the part of the river that passes underneath the roadway. The road that we're going to go under is the A134, and it's one of the main roads that links Colchester, which would be across to the right, and Sudbury, which essentially is pretty much the start of the navigable part of the River Stour, heading towards the left. Beyond the tunnel is the green at Bear Street, and that is where the majority of people will launch their boats. Hey everybody, so just coming to the end of the paddle now. I launched at Nayland this morning at Bear Street, paddled up to Weston Mill. Never sure if it's Weston Mill or Weston Mill, to be quite honest. I've heard people call it different names. And paddled back past my launch point, and I've literally just been along the narrower part of the river behind all the houses, which, if I'd have carried on, does lead up to the Anchor pub, which is a nice little venue to stop and have a coffee or a pint of beer in the summer. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed coming on the journey with me. Do this really just for fun. The content that I put out is for my own amusement for the most part. I'm by no means an expert paddler and certainly not an expert YouTuber. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give us a like, give us a subscribe, share it with your friends, and if you are on social media, check out Canadian Canoe Paddlers UK. We've got a Facebook group on there. I think we're coming up to about 4,000 members now. Not all of them are active, to be quite honest. Just to be clear, it is specifically for Canadian canoes, open canoes, that sort of thing. And yeah, they're a friendly bunch. If you're considering getting a Canadian canoe, it's a good place to get some advice from. And quite often there are used boats that are for sale on there. Obviously it's in the UK for the most part, but yeah, whatever you're doing, enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend, and paddles up people. Catch up with you next time. Bye for now.